Hello friends, good afternoon. This is Subramanyam speaking with you. Recently I had seen one news and I came to know that Amazon is going to hire nearly 33,000 new employees for their organization, and we can say that this is an initiative taken by the Amazon to help the unemployed people in this pandemic time. And not only that, the persons who had lost their jobs due to this pandemic, they are giving an opportunity for those people to work in their organization until this pandemic vanishes. Okay, so that you will not feel that we are sitting idle. Okay, and they are conducting an career day, Amazon's career day, on September 16, 2020. Okay, in this career day, there will be nearly 1,000 recruiters will be participating, and they will give some sessions. I don't know on which topics they will be uh, given. I don't know, but everyone can participate in that session. That is free of cost, and you can grab the opportunity also, maybe. So I think this is one of the good opportunity for the people who are aspiring to join in Amazon, or who are looking to join in Amazon organizations. Okay, and the main reason I am doing this video is I would like to explain you about the Amazon's interview process and which rounds will be conducting, and for how many days the Amazon process will go on. Okay, I will give you the detailed explanation and information about that interview process. And not only that, and I will tell you how to apply, how to give the assessment, what are the sections will present in the assessment. Okay, so as I had given my interview for Amazon in the month of April. Okay, so I would like to share my experience to you people about that Amazon's interview. Okay, so in the month of April, I had checked for the jobs which are in Amazon through Naukri.com. Okay, if you want, you can check from Naukri.com and you can apply for the jobs to Amazon. Okay, after applying, if your resume got shortlisted, then you will get a link for the assessment. Okay, and for this assessment, there will be a third party website like Talview or Hire Pro, right? Okay, in from this you have to give your assessment. Okay, and this assessment will nearly take 1.5 hour to 2 hours max. Okay, so in this assessment, there will be different type of patterns for different roles and positions. Okay, and but for every position, there will be a common thing for the every first round, that is multiple choice questions. Okay, that means in the section round 1, in section 1, you will have the multiple choice questions. You will be having 30 questions, which you have to complete within 15 minutes. Okay, all the 30 questions should be completed within 15 minutes. That is the first goal. Okay, and after that, they will allow you to write the second section. Okay, in section 2, there will be nearly 6 to 8 different type of categories. Okay, I don't know the sequence, but I will tell you which I have remembered, but I have remembered the most, but I will give you the clear information about that. Okay, okay, in the section 2, coming to the categories, you will categories like A, B, C. Okay, so coming to the category 1, you will be having 10 sentences which will be displayed on the assessment screen. Okay, then on this, all second section will go on through voice overs. That means it's an voice version and accent round V and A round will be like that. Okay. So in the category A, you will be getting 10 types of sentences. Then the voice will ask you to read those sentences. Okay, like this. Please read sentence 1. Then you have to read the sentence 1. Then you have to continue like that till 10 sentences. So that is the category 1. And in category 2, that means B category, you will be asking for some fill in the blanks questions. Then you have to answer that questions. Okay. In the third category, that is C, uh, you will be having email writing. And email writing will be like this. You have to enter nearly 150 words. You have to construct a mail by using 150 words, and they will be giving one scenario. According to that, you have to construct that email. Okay. And in that, they will give three main important words, which you have to mandatorily use in that email. Okay. By using that three words only, you have to construct that email. That is one. Okay. And it should be in a professional way, right? And coming to the next section, you will be having a voiceover, right? Wherein which you can hear a story for about 30 seconds, and after that you have to rewrite that story within 90 seconds in your own sentences. Okay. And after that section, you will be again having a story for about 30 seconds, where you can see on the assessment screen. That means it will be visible. After that, it will be vanishes. Then you have to rewrite that story within 90 seconds by using your own words. Okay. That is section. Okay. In the next section, you will be having a scrambled sentences. That means the voiceover will ask you like this: I studying am. Then you have to give the reply like this: I am studying. So, like this, the sentences will be nearly 10 to 15. It will ask. Okay, then you have to reply for everything. Later that, uh, the voiceover will ask you some opinions by giving one scenario. Okay. Or if you are in that position, what will you do, like that it will ask. So that is the sections. So these are the sections I had remembered for the assessment, but I had given you a clear explanation about the pattern which I had remembered. Okay. These are the all common things which you will have in the assessment. And you have to complete this assessment within 72 hours of the mail you have received. Okay, that means from the date you have received the mail, you have to, from that time, you have to complete that within 72 hours. And not only that, it's mandatory to have a good laptop, good webcam, and with good earphones and microphones. Okay. Why? Because they will track all the assessment thing. Okay. So you should be careful. And not only that, you should be taking the assessment in a clear and calm environment, so that others should not get bothered, you should not get bothered. And not only that, while you are speaking, you should not get disturbed, and no disturbance should be in that voiceover. Okay. And this assessment pattern will changes for different positions. Okay. The pattern will be different for different profiles and positions. Okay. Later on, after completion of all these sections, you will be asked for the feedback. Then you have to provide the feedback about that, and you have to submit the form. Then what will happen? So after the completion of your assessment, from the date of your completion of assessment, you can expect a mail from the Amazon's recruiter within 1 week to 1 month. At that time when I had written, I got a mail within 1 week. Now it's getting late as they are hiring for uh, huge amount of employees. Okay, but don't lose hopes, you can expect. Otherwise they will send a mail regarding your rejection also. Okay. Okay, if you got shortlisted and if you are cleared all the assessments correctly, then you will get a mail. In that mail, you will have all the descriptions about the job and all the details about the uh, job regarding shifts and what is your salary, how many days you have to work, whether it is permanent or contract. Okay, everything they will mention. And not only that, in that link they will provide one link for giving your personal details, education qualification details, and your work experience details. Okay, after that you have to enter all your details through that link. You have to submit it. If you don't enter all your details, then they are not able to move you through for further rounds. Okay. So after reading all the description job details, only if you are interested only you have to apply. That means you have to give all your details, then only they are able to move you to the next rounds. Okay. After that, mm, after the submission of that form, and within a week you will get a call from HR, recruiter. That means if you are shortlisted for that also, then you will get a call from the HR asking like this. They will ask all your personal details, experience details, education qualifications, and when can you join, like that they will ask. Okay, after that they will give the details about your final interview, final phase interview, that is virtual interview, video conference, which will be held through video conference. Okay. And one of the main things is they are hiring only immediate joiners. Okay, this you have to keep in your mind. So okay, in that call, they will give you all the details about that video conference calls. Okay, and they will send you a mail also when you have to log in, how to log in. Okay, you have to. So for the time which they had given, you have to get login through that Amazon Chime app. Okay, you have to log in, and HRs will respective HRs will contact you, and they will ask in that they had asked me about my personal information, personal information, and my education qualifications and my experience details. What are the roles and responsibilities which I am doing in my current organization. Okay. And this virtual interview will take nearly 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Okay, after the completion of the your interview they will tell you, okay, our recruiters will get back to you. Otherwise, if they want to give some positive vibes, then they will say like this. That means if they got impressed with your interview, then they will tell like this. So in my case they had told me like this: I am very pretty good done with your interview, like that. Okay, so I got to know that okay, it is somewhat positiveness, right? And later, if you are cleared and got shortlisted in that face-to-face interview also, within a week you can expect a mail from the recruiters. First they will call you uh, saying that, okay, what is your experience, what is your name, who had taken your interview. Okay, like that they will ask, and they will give the shortlisted names. That means they only call to the people who are shortlisted only. So they will tell you that, okay, you got shortlisted, this is the joining date, and for the further details you will get a mail. So please check in that. Okay. And after that you will get a mail regarding all the job description and all the clear information about your job profile. Okay, you will be having your shift details, annual salary details. Okay, what is the job description, what is the role we have to do, roles and responsibilities, everything they will mention in that email. Okay, then that means you are shortlisted and you have to join. And after that, within a week, you will be having it joining. Okay, so this is very tough for the experienced people to join within a week. So in my case, everything was settled down, everything was very good. But what's the twist is, I had lost my job due to some relieving issues with my current organization. So as we have to respect our present organization's rule, so I had left that job, I lost that job. Okay, but mm, I requested them, but due to some pandemic crisis, they didn't allow me to give the resignation. Okay, so whatever, and given the interview, I got selected, and I can give the interview later also. That's not a deal. So why I am telling you clearly is, uh, you should not get feel sad because of this. After getting selected, if your current organization will not send you out, then it will be very miserable thing. Okay, so the people who are attending for the interview, then they have to join within 1 week of the time. That's the main thing. Okay, if you want to give 30 days of notice period, then it's not possible for you to join in Amazon. Okay, and I think for some profiles they are giving allowing the notice period time. So I don't say that don't give the interview, you have to attend the interview, but once request the recruiters about this notice period and changing of joining date. Okay, and finally, before joining date, you will get a mail from your manager about the login time and what will be the process on that day, how, to whom you have to contact, who is your manager, all the details they will give you in that mail. Okay, so then you have to follow the rules which you have got in that mail. Okay, and later, this is how the Amazon's interview process will go on. And in my case, everything has been done within 1 month of time, as it is pandemic crisis. But in now, it's taking too much of time, more than 1 month. So please don't lose your hopes. So, and finally, coming to the final conclusion, this video may be usable to the people and needful to the people who are aspiring to join in Amazon. So this will be the pattern and for the assessment and the interview process for the Amazon's interview. So I hope you like this video, and I had given you the most important information which I have remembered, as I had given it 4 months earlier. So, and not only that, and one main thing is, you should have very good communication skills. Okay, if you have good communication skill, then nobody can stop you from joining this Amazon. And you can clear the assessments very easily if you have good communication skills. This is one of the main things I would like to acknowledge. And I hope this video will be useful for the people who are looking to join in Amazon's organization. Okay, and please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. I And if you have any doubts, you can put it in the comment box. I will help you as I know. Okay, thank you. This is Subramanya taking off.